Hello, everybody. I am doing another video. I just ate and checked on my video games, and now I'm doing another video for you. So that way, you all can know that I'm keeping you updated what I'm doing. I just had some steak and some burgers and chicken. And it was good. It really was. They cooked it on the grill outside, and then I had some. So, I'm just basically laying down, watching TV, and then playing with my dogs and watching videos. So anyway, I hope everybody has a good day or night or whatever you have yet. And I will be doing another video for you guys. Much love to everybody out there, and I hope you have a good day or night, and see you again. Bye. Wolfie out.